What's up, guys? ClarkTheShark here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today, I'm unboxing a new pair of Nike Air Force 1 mids, QS in Jewel Ale Brown. Now, this is going to probably be the last pair I get for a while, but I did have my eyes on these right here. Beautiful pair for a few years now. They were one of the first pairs that I highlighted on my list, my wish list, when I first started getting into collecting. I waited for them to drop a little bit. I finally scooped them up on StockX for $56. You can check my link in the description below if you'd like to get a discount using StockX as well. But these are really, really cool. If you look at the texture right here, it's a sleek kind of plastic, hard plastic kind of feel in brown. And the swoosh is the jewel, the orange jewel here. In the brown, white, and orange, it's reminiscent of root beer float or Cleveland Browns or something cool. But I'm going to wear these kind of for certain occasions, but mostly keep these tucked away. But I thought they were pretty cool. Let me know what you think about this pair, what pair you'd like to see in the comments below, and I'll be happy to reply. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. God bless.